Hello, my name is Stuart Wood and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this video is just a little bit different. It's not a photography or a Photoshop video, it's just an update video. This is why it's in the vlog section. And you may have noticed a slight name change when it comes to my social media presence. So what I've done is I've updated my social media to have the same name across everything. And last year, when I decided to come back to YouTube and come back to doing videos, I decided to change the name from Digital Heavens to The Art of Stuart Wood. And what I didn't know at the time is that would cause issues later on down the road when it comes to social media platforms, because some social media platforms, they don't allow you to have a name that is that long. So then I was like, well, maybe I could use Stuart Wood because that's who I am. Unfortunately, there's a politician in the UK that has the exact same name as me, so he's got half of the social media platforms. So what I've done is I've updated my handle, which is the @ symbol, and that is at Stuart Wood Art. Okay, it should be down here right now. And you can use that to find me on all the social media platforms, so that's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. And the reason I've done this is because that handle, Stuart Wood Art, is what I used on Twitter. And if someone found me on Twitter, then they went to look at me on, say, YouTube, they couldn't find me because the handle isn't the same. Now, the name is the same, which is The Art of Stuart Wood, but how Facebook and other social media engines find you is from that little handle. So from now on, my handle will be Stuart Wood Art. Now, whenever possible, the name of the channel, Facebook, Twitter will be Stuart Wood because that's who I am. And if I can't get that, then it will be The Art of Stuart Wood. So I just thought I'd put out a quick video just to explain why that has happened. If you've got links anywhere, you might need to update those links. I've got to go through all of my videos now and update my links. But I feel that going forward, this is the better way to do it because now I have the same handle on all my social media platforms. So now, if anyone types in at Stuart Wood Art on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it will come up with me. So that just makes it a little bit easier for you guys to find me on social media. Anyway, I thought I'd just put out that video. Hope you're doing well. My name is Stuart Wood. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me on all my social media platforms. If you want to see behind the scenes videos, I do post some behind the scenes videos. Follow me on Instagram. Again, that's at Stuart Wood Art. I'll see you on the next one, guys.